Super, my dude. Thank you so much for that 8 month or 6 months? 6 months. I'm so blind right now. 6 months subscription on Twitch. You rock, dude. I really appreciate it. And a 4 month streak. Even better. What's up, Steven? How's it going, buddy? How are you guys doing today? Hope you're all doing well. We're here with a bit more of some Unity development, some game development. Yeah, 6 month hype, right? 6 month hype. Okay, so for anybody who has not seen this, yo, Looney Bin, what's going on? How's it going? Hey, girl. This is what I've got so far. I've got some ideas for some things we're gonna add today, and yeah, let's check it out. So all the good names we're taking. Got voice clipping. It's got to be on Twitch's side, then I guess. And then it's basically Flappy Birds. It's not done by any means. Got some music on the way. Ooh. Not too half bad at my own game, right? Here, let's get game over. Let's get game over so we can end it. Anyways, you get a high score. You get a score there. Yo, Super with that host. Thank you so much, my dude. I really appreciate you. Is everyone hearing my voice clip and be weird, or like maybe it's, I don't know, maybe it's just Unity. I mean Unity. Maybe it's just Twitch tonight again. You can just start back over again. Thanks. Well, we got some things we're gonna add to this. Like I want to start off, guys, with a high score, right? High score will be really easy, I think. Overall, we're gonna start off with that. So like we're gonna go to game over screen. Yeah, save any changes, and then what we actually want to do is we want to on the score variable. I mean, on this game over screen, we want to look at. So we got the game over world stuff, which is a script that I have right here, which has stuff for the game over screen, right? And what we're going to do is we're going to so we're gonna start off with, let's see, public int int high score. Okay, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna get on start here. We're gonna get let's see. Hold on, before we do that, let's add some more text, right? So like we'll say, how about right here, if it's a new high score, it just pops up as like new high score. Yo, Steven with that host, thank you so much. Let's add some more text. We can tweak it out, you know, of course. We're gonna add some text and move it, and then we'll change it to, for now, everything's gonna be kind of a black and white contrast until we get some more design stuff going. And let's change our font to match the rest. And this is gonna say like high score. And actually this might be like in red, and of course we're gonna increase the size to like 30. Yeah, you sent me the image. I got it. Thank you. So how about move this right, maybe right here. Hey, I'm doing good, Steven. How are you doing? And this will of course be a little bigger, so like, I don't know, 50, and then it's gotta say like new high score, right? Yeah, let's say new high score, and something like this. Oh, I didn't no, new high score. So like, where's the center? Right here. The center's right there. So how about it does like, you know what, in fact, what we'll do is, can I like rotate this anywhere? Don't forget the you died screen. This is the you died screen. Can I do effects like rotating this? Yo, Crispy with that 4-month resub. Dude, thank you. Thank you so much, man. How you doing, Crispy? Good to see you, my friend. What we want to do, so first it's gonna be, I want it to like rotate, right? So we'll be able to rotate it with code. I don't think I can rotate it. Let's see, horizontal overflow, vertical, blah, 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 blah. No, we can't unless I can modify it or something. I can't. Effects, particle, trail, line. Oh, that's cool. I'm doing good, man. How are you doing? Oh, you said doing good. Awesome. Settling down. Yeah, how was Dark Souls, man? I wish I would have been able to have a chance to catch that. Okay, let's put it here for the moment, and then what we'll do in a second is we'll give it we'll rotate it. So let's rename this to high score text, and then we will put where I got stuck last time. Ah, boo! Crispy lost his soul. Ouch. Wait, maybe I can actually rotate this. Hold on. Position, height, rotation, right? Rotation right here. So we want to rotate the X, right? That didn't seem to do anything. So that also doesn't do anything. That is the only thing that does anything. I kind of want it to be like this, right? Let's do like a 25. No, 25. Nope. Let's do like 40. My soul sure darkened. So like, I don't know. I kind of want it like to be blasted over everything, right? Like, kind of obnoxiously over things, right? Something like that. I don't like how it looks all weird. Can we go bigger than that? We can, of course. Back at large, the crop. The crop? Do something like that, right? New high score. Only if, of course, you just make it large, the crop. But I don't. There's no crop. I don't need to crop it. I want to rotate it. Is the thing. What's that? Raw edit mode. Okay. It's fine. It's fine. This we're gonna tag with. Well, actually, I don't need to tag it at all. I don't need to tag it at all. So what we'll do now is we'll say, oops, wrong button. You like my background? Hey. So we also need. Let's keep these a little bit together. Public text. I scored text. And then this public int. So what we want is, so then we'll come back over here and on main camera, we have this script, which once this thing loads, so our high score text will be high score text. Right, so now that object is, we're going to control it. So on start, we're going to say, first of all, well, let's see. Let's see. Can we say, let's see. High score text. Is there like a visible? Enable net. I don't think enable is what I want. Okay. First of all, let's grab the wait a minute. The score text, high score. Okay, so sorry, I confused myself for a second. Okay, so anyways, we want to grab the high score from the existing high score to see if, so that we can see if it's if we're higher scores, right? So okay, so we're gonna say high score, oops, equals player prefs, because we're gonna set this with the preferences dot get int, and we're gonna say high score. Okay. So then what we're gonna say is we're gonna say if high score, no, if player score is greater than high score, we will say that high score text or dot enabled, maybe goes false. Else, actually, it should be true. Silly me. Else, I don't know if enabled works the way. There needs to be a visible thing, but I wonder if enabled works like that. So let's find out. So probably won't work the way I want it. I can do some other magic to make it work. So let's go back to the initial scene. Or the initial scene. And then we'll just... I've got a jump sound, which I don't like. Okay, the new high score. But we start over and then... okay. Does not work what I was thinking. That's easy, though. It's easy. So the game over screen. So this location is this, right? So 25 and 10. 25 and negative 10. So let's say int, actually vector 2, high score text position equals vector like this, and then it would be like, what did I say it was? 25 and negative 10. Is this not int to vector 2? Wait, am I confused? Is it vector? Oh wait, maybe these are floats. Oop. Equals new vector 2. There we go. Aha. I know how to do things. Okay. So what we'll say is, if the high score, then we'll say high score text dot transform dot position. No, set position rotation. And we'll use the high score text position and new quaternion. Boom. Things are happening. Otherwise, why is this? Okay. We are going to say vector 3, no, vector 2. 2, and it's going to be like, I don't know, -30, -30. I don't care. Just get it off the screen, right? So we just start from the main game. How's everybody doing tonight? Got a half decent score. Okay, 448. No high score, even though high score should be up there. Okay. So 237. Did I completely break it? I think I did because I never set the score. Okay. I never set it officially. Doesn't matter, it's Friday. Alright, so also players prefs. So when we set the score, that's gonna be on this one. We're setting our score. No. World stuff? We're actually incrementing it here. I guess it's on there. Just chilling. Nice, nice. Game over here. Okay, so we're setting the score here, and let's also... I guess we should also be so intrigued by this. So let's see. Game over stuff says, hey, we check for the high score. That's fine. Okay, now what we want to do is we want to set the high score. So high score on move player. And then so when you get game over, also set high score. This might work. But what we want is, I want to look at main game, and I want to look main camera, player score. I want to see actually. Okay, it's fine. So let's see. Set a 138, easy enough. Get a higher score. Did not work still. Thought this would be pretty easy. Let's look here. High score is here. Okay. Oh, well. Now wait. Okay, hold on. I don't want to do that. I need to change what I'm doing because now I'm setting it every time. I just realized that. So we'll say on player move script, we need to get this score first. So let's say int high score equal just nothing. And then during this, we'll say high score equals player prefs get int high score. This should be a fairly simple implementation, simple thing to implement. Okay, so we get the high score. Let's make it a public one so that I can actually see it. Keep minimizing the wrong things. Please come back. Okay. All right, so let's kill this. And I do have a, let's see, high score right here. So high score is 203. Okay. And then let's kill it and start again. High score should be higher than that now. 281. Okay, so let's see. Let's get a high score. Okay, we're not able, let's see. I need to see player. Okay, so we have a high score. 328. Okay. What are we doing? Okay. We've set the high score. Oh, I'm still got to do this. I gotta say if player no if this, so if high score, no, if this is greater than high score. Man, I'm so bad at like programming at times, guys. Oh my gosh. So when we hit game over, if your current score is higher than the high score, then we should see that effect. Hopefully. Hopefully. Our high score is like 2 something, I don't know, whatever. It's something that will definitely be a high score. 391. We're still not getting our thing here. So let's see what we got here. High score and that is the same. Okay, so think I'm doing okay? Thanks, man. Okay, so they're the same is the problem, and I don't want that. Do I need to set a? Maybe I'll set a new flag that says like new high score. Let's do that. Let's just set a new flag, and let's make a new player prefs, and we'll say if it's set to high score, then we say player prefs dot set string, and we'll say new high score, and it will be true. Easy enough. Are there other, let's see, hold on real quick. Player prefs dot set, yeah, no boolean or anything, so let's just do that. Okay, there, and then what we'll do is game overworld stuff. Instead of all this, I might not need all this. How about if player prefs dot get string new high score. Then we say equals true. Then we will show it. And then afterwards, oh, you know what I wonder if I'm, hold up. I have this all in the wrong spot. Guys, again. Okay, our high score is almost 400. Let's get up to 400. Okay, that was not it. Okay. And it still didn't seem to help. Alright, let's try again real quick. Let's see something. Let's get us another high score. Man, I'm gonna have to keep getting higher and higher scores, you guys. Okay, let's see. That should not be a high score real quick. And let's see. Our high score, right, is 462. Okay, wait. We didn't get a high enough score last time. Let's 462, so I'm gonna have to like reset my score soon. Okay. And so our new score, our new high score should be that, yeah. So hold up. Okay, I think I am doing this a little bit wrong. Let's go back to here. We don't want to set high score here at all. We can set the new high score flag. How about that? There, we set the new flag. And then we'll say, I don't think I want to put this here. I want to put this on start. And then we'll say if new high score equals true, we'll do that. And then afterwards we can set the score, but let's just see if I was doing something wrong here, which I probably was. I'm like, a high score thing should be easy, guys. I've learned that that's not true at all. We gotta go like in the 500s. Okay, 600. That's our high score. Okay, so something else is wrong here. So we're successfully getting high score. And okay. Well, how about y'all get to see me like debug everything. Public string new high score flag. And then here, when we get to this, let's say a new high score flag equals this. And then we'll say if new. All right. This is so that I can actually see visibly what the high score flag is set to. I can kind of debug where things are going. Okay, so I know this should not be a new high score. Let's just see. New high score flag is true. But why is it true? That's the question. Player score is much less. Oh, no. It was set before, but it should have been set not. Oh, but I'm not. Okay, hold on. So let's set player prefs. Yeah, let's do dot set string. So new high score to false. Okay. So let's try something. Oh, I got an error. I got an actual error because I gotta do this. False, like that. Like that, guys. Okay. Okay, so this should not be a new high score. But we still have a new high score. Oh, but I'm also okay. Let's do this. I really need to do this on the update. Okay, so we'll do that. Then do something like this. Oh, this would be easy, you guys. Okay, so this new score flag should be false. It's still true because I never actually set the real. So the new high score flag false. Close. All bad. Okay. So we do that, and then just see. It is rather complicated. Way more complicated than I expected it to be. Okay, so let's see. First of all, the flag is still true. The flag should not be true. You see? Okay, hold on. Let's see. First of all, new high score flag should be set on start. We're checking if we set it from move player, right? So we're saying if players score, so what is high score? Where do we define high score? We define high score at high score. And so how about I can't see the other one right now, can I? Can't see. Do that, but not okay, so maybe I should start completely over with the high score. Let's do that. Let's start over with the high score. So let's get rid of public int high score and move player. Get rid of this. And this. Okay. Okay. That, and then let's go back to game over stuff. And let's just grab this. Let's put it like here, but we're gonna. Well, actually, I want to see that. Okay, so I can give it. Let's get rid of this right now. So shouldn't be no problem. We should basically have the same game we just were at, right? Yo, what's up, Gash? How's it going, buddy? Okay, so so let's go back to game over. This. Okay, that's great. So if I warp it there, okay, so maybe this does need to be. No, because it's. I feel like it's moving it somewhere. Okay, first of all, I have a 20. I have a float here and not there. Maybe that's been our whole friggin' problem. Nope. Where is this high score text? Over there. Why is that? I don't understand at all why this has moved over to where it is. So, how about we get rid of that? And let's go real quick. Let's see. The vector 3 and then that x and y. Okay. Go back here. Just make. Actually, hold on. New vector 3. Then 25, -10. Yeah, I don't know why it's like way down there. That's the problem. Okay. Just look at this real quick. I don't understand. Why is it like that? Yeah. Let's just get rid of this for a second. Then okay, so it's still there. So that's, you know. And this is the position I want it to be at. 25. Okay. So let's put 0, 0. I haven't been doing any kind of like float. 0, 0 is there. And let's make a rotation here. Is our, do you want a 3 float X, Y, Z, and W? X, Y, Z, and W. Okay. So maybe I need these now. Maybe this is what I need now. So 25 and 10. 25, -10. 0. And what's a W? What's the W for? 0. What's the W for? 0. I don't know. These are all these are supposed to be F's. Oops. Thanks, Steven. I'm still trying to figure it all out. Okay. I feel like it's something's wrong, not right here. Zero, the rotation needs to be 0, but why is it like that? So I just changed the X to 0. What if I put this as my thing? So 0x and 1.5. So 0 and negative 1.5. I don't know, guys. Don't judge. What even just happened here? I think I like it like this, guys. So this is our location. Okay, hold on. Let's see what quaternions mean in life and stuff. Do not directly modify quaternion. That quaternion. I don't know what W means. Let's see. W component. That's all it really says. W is a scalar that stores the rotation around the vector. I don't know. Let's try 12. Keep minimizing the wrong things. Gosh. I think this is good, right, guys? Try it again. Okay. We got something going. So I mean, not really though, because it's just regular. Now it's just 0. Because probably I made this a 0. Y'all, this rotation crap is crazy. Okay, first of all, let's put this back to how it was before. Like how it should be. Guys. It might just have to be like that. I was trying to do this like cool rotation and stuff. So let's just leave it at nothing. I didn't want to do one. I just wanted to show a high score. I wanted to kind of make it cool, but for now it'll just be like that, right? In fact, we're gonna like make it kind of that, or because I didn't. Okay, so 110 and -49. 10 and -49. I'm wondering if the quaternion was what was throwing it off. Or not. I'm guessing that it's now. Why is it there? Alright, it's going to 0, guys, and I don't care. Going slightly less than 0, maybe. An hour, and I've literally gotten nothing done. Okay, so that's actually. Yeah, our Y is changed. I thought it was. I. Put like 0 and -5. Promise we're gonna get into something a little better soon. Wait, too much. Ugh. -1. I want it to be like a little bit over this, basically. See, like that. That's all I want. So, like, if you. Actually, I probably don't want it like that. I want it a little bit less. The -0.5. What did I do? That. Close enough. Close enough. Okay, so now what I want is let's go back and say if new high score flag equals true, then we want this. Oh, yeah, there you go. Otherwise, where'd it go? Otherwise, can I else we're gonna do this, but it's gonna be like, I don't know, we can do like some ridiculous -30, right? So like, essentially now, no matter what, right now, if I just do this, we do get to see it. Did it not save? But I guess because the flag is still true. Okay. Then what we want to do is we'll set the player prefs dot set string comma boom false, and then we'll do high score, because no matter what we want to make sure we set it to false after you've hit this screen, right? So this is fine here, and then it should now set it to. Okay, so scores. It's funny that actually has our score still. So can I set this to like 50, and will it keep that? I don't think it will. No. Okay. So let's see. So this should be working, I think. And then what we'll do is we'll go on player, move player again, like we did, and just say when we get to game over here, we're gonna say if player prefs dot get string new, oh wait, no, score, is that what we did? Is that what we called it? Score, for score in 65 years in the past. It's scored with a capital S. Okay. Actually, I don't want player prefs. I want, oh no, high score. High score is less than this right here. Can I not do this? String to int. Wait, what? Player score. Wait, I'm confused. Okay, player score. This is greater than player prefs dot get int. Oh, because I did get string. High score. Okay, that should be fine. Now, what we want to do is player prefs. Oops. Player prefs. Or go on. Player prefs. Dot set string. And it's the new high score. And that's the true. And then if that's the case, we'll leave it here for a second. Yo, what's going on, AJ? How's it going? How are you doing? Welcome, and thank you so much for those bits. Hope you're doing well. I'm just working on this silly little game I'm working on here. So we got a high score of something or other. I don't remember how much at the moment. I think it's in the 600s. Let's do better than that, right? Okay, so we should be better now. Oh, okay, we did have the high score. It showed up for a second. Okay, so now let's go here. Nope. Yeah, game over. Hey, how you doing? Nice to see you again. Okay, so we definitely... Okay, so where am I going wrong, though? Because it definitely was a... Maybe it was? Maybe it was? Let's look. Oops. Yeah, yeah. Okay, so player score is that. And we set it to... But it's false. Okay, that's not true. Player score was definitely higher. Oof, I know, right? This is the struggles here. Struggles. Okay, so I knew what high score flag is false, but let's not do this for a moment. Okay, let's not do that for a moment. My high score is currently only 547 because I'm not actually setting it, which is fine by me. Bing, 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 bing. Okay, and then let's... Okay, see, we do have a new high score here. Boom. First of all, this is our score. Now, what we should do is right here. Yeah, this is a game I'm creating. Yeah. It's a silly Flappy Birds clone at the moment, but I've got big ideas and big plans. So, okay, so we've got our score, but what's gonna... So, after that, I mean, it should only be calling it once, right? But okay, so what we'll do is we'll actually take this and put it after this, right? Yeah, Supa's been able to playtest it. I do have a build from before, but this build I'll send out to you and you know, some other people want to try it after. Okay. So what even is it talking about? Doesn't even know. Okay. Let's see. Game over. Thank you. High score, and did we set the variables and stuff? We did not set our high score, but we're not trying to, but then we are. Did I set it? Okay, I did set it false after. Okay, I think that's fine. And then what we want to do is, if it's true, let's set the high score prefs, right? So player prefs dot set int, and the int is going to be high score, and the value is going to be player prefs dot get int, and it's going to be the int known as score, right? See, that seems good. We're not changing the high score if we didn't get a high score, but if we did get a high score, then boom. This hopefully should work now, but the problem is, guys, I have to keep getting a better score. So let's start over again. So our high score is still 500 something or other. Let's start from the beginning. So since AJ hasn't seen this yet from the beginning, I've got some tweaks and things that I have to do, but like we got, you know, a couple of screens. Like I don't have any options yet, but here's our little credit screen, and then we got, you know, of course, sounds, a little bouncy sounds. I got a couple people that want to make me some music for this, so. Ooh, almost. All right, I think this is sufficient high score. Dang it, we did it again though. Oh man. Okay, so, and we didn't set the score though. We didn't actually set the new high score, did we? Let's see. If it oh, I didn't want to do that. Let's go back to game over. So we didn't set the new high score because no. Hey, thank ya. I forgot that you can unlock emotes. I was like, wait, how did you do that? Okay, so oh, because I didn't set the correct high score, the correct score. Boom, high score there. And then, but it shouldn't be like updating. It should only do it once. Let's see. Our high score still should be that. Okay. Go back to the main game. Let's just go back to the main game itself. We don't have to go through the. All right. So I have plenty of things that I want to do. I was gonna add a pause screen, which I think I'm still gonna do. I mean, I'm going to, but hopefully I'll get to tonight. Yeah, super. I love that one. All right. Okay, it does get that, and it did set our score. Okay, that's good. Okay, you know what? Instead of setting the variable here, let's just set the variable on when you start the game. Right? Like that'll be. Let's just put it here. World stuff. So when you start, we're just gonna do this, right? It was magic. Magic, I tell you. Okay, so now we have a high score, guys. Whew. I'm gonna have to like really work hard to get to keep getting better high scores. Yeah, I need to work on mine too, a little bit more. 769. I know, right? Okay, high score, 861. Boom, guys. I think this is okay. So 861. Now I have to get a better high score so I can see. Actually, wait. Let's see. So not a high score. So what do we say? 861. I think I can manage to get my score better. Super was getting a crazy good score. Okay. And then new high score. Okay, guys, we officially have a working high score system. It's basic, but it works. Hey. All right, let me look at my Trello board. Do I even have something for that? I don't think I even made that as a task for that. Okay. Nice. Okay, so let's think about a pause screen, right? So I'm thinking, let's look at our stuff here. So first of all, I gotta pull some. I gotta pull up the controller mapping for the Xbox. Okay, so that's button 7. Cool. All right, so let's see. Let's go into actual. Thanks. Go into our project settings and our inputs here, and I made a mute button. I gotta implement that a little bit more too. Let's go with. I don't need 5. So we're what is it? 7 is the button here, and then that's the positive button. And Alt button is what? Enter. Hey Stewie, what's going on, dude? How you doing? So enter, and then this will be pause. Is key or mouse down? Okay, I'm not worried about an access. Okay, so pause. So let's see. How you doing, Stewie? Good to see you, my friend. So let's say in world stuff. Now let's go. We're gonna go to move player because this is where I have my change game state. So else if equals pause. We'll do something with pause, and then what we'll say is we'll say in our main loop here, we'll do the same, very similar thing. Say from here, right? So this is why the rest of like most of the UK, why are you guys all up? And we're gonna say change game state. So let's do this. Pause. Okay. So at the moment, let's just see what this does. Oh, interesting, dude. I actually don't know if the game state changed at all. So let's say I need it on the player. And no, it's not on the player. It's on camera. Okay, so let's oh, dang it. See if when I hit enter. I don't think enter is picked up properly. Okay. Code space. Cool. Return. Okay, so I think it's return. Let's go to our turn. It's also negative button. I want positive button. Maybe that was part of it. Okay, cool. So that's actually good. Let's we haven't actually we didn't actually do anything, so let's so it did change game state, which is why I lost control. Okay. They keep moving. Okay. So let's look at the enemy thonks real quick. Else if, okay, so and then else if game state 2 equals pause, then what we want for them to do is to stop moving. So like, yeah. And then you should be getting no score because it's paused. I don't know. Let's see. Well, okay. So I can't. Let's do this real quick as well. Let's say if you pause while we're already paused. Just pause and pause. Then we want to say we're playing again. This should at least let us unpause. I want to pause and then we're going to make another screen that we'll get to see some things on. Okay, I can unpause, but not helpful for me. Okay. Why are they not moving? I mean, why are they not stopping? So, enemy thonk. So, if game state is playing, game state is this player pref string. Game state. And move player. So, player score, blah, blah. Component game state. Okay. So, I forgot to do this. Pause. That might help. Assuming you're asking Ugly Steely how he's doing, but if you're asking me, I'm doing great. Nope, still not helping. Okay, well, they don't generate more. Wow, I lost all my momentum. Let them all go by. That's so cheaty. Okay, I need to make them stop. So, if game state is playing, we do this. Right? Okay, okay. So let's see something here. Let's see. Donk. And I should have these. No, care about that. Want to see game state, right? And so game state should be paused when we do this. Realistically, once the game is no longer in that state, they should be stopped moving anyway. So what's the deal? Let's see. Let's think for a moment here. Let me think. Pause. Let's see. Game state. Murmur. This game move player. Actually set the game state to pause. That effectively stops me from moving. Good, but enemy thonks need to figure out what they're doing as well. Also, if game over Game over. I think I don't need this at all. Like, I don't know why. This must be some old code. Because I definitely don't need to have that in the game over. Okay, so. They won't spawn in. So on world stuff, they won't. Is that where I have it? The add enemy is this. Name, sure. Blah, 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 blah. But. World stuff. Let's see. How do I fix this? I want to have a pause menu. Gotta have a pause menu. I just gotta figure. Okay. First of all, I probably don't need this one. Could be part of what's. Somehow I broke it. No, okay. Okay, now. Gotta think through this. I mean, this really, with this game state here, they should absolutely. How about just in general, do an else. This dot transform dot equals new vector 3. So let's see what that does. Maybe nothing. Might have broke it. Didn't help. Didn't help. This dot. This dot transform dot position dot y. So I'm kind of clueless on why this is happening. That's not a pause, guys. Okay. So what's going on? Why is it doing this? Why is it doing this, guys? Guys, why is it doing this? Donk. Like, does anything else take effect? I mean, it should, right? Hmm. And then can't figure out how to make it stop moving. Let's see. Move on frame. Are you using that anywhere? I don't see myself even using that. Wait, maybe it's... Yeah, I wasn't using that. Okay, so that's fine. I can't figure out why it's doing this. I also don't need this. Maybe? Oh, let's see if it's still... Things still happen. Okay, things do happen. Hmm. Hmm. Guys. I just don't know why they continue to do it, to happen. Why that continues to happen. Let's see. Figure out how to do things. Learning things. Alright, so how about instead of setting them random names, we call them thonk. Thonk. No, how about we dot tag on thonk. Okay, and then maybe I can do something like this. So I can say if the I don't really know. Thought I was gonna have something here, but else no. This one. How about on world stuff where we do this? If game state pause. Game object dot find. Oh, is this the wrong game object? Find objects with tag. And this will be on screen thonk dot. I don't really know. How about that? Won't be okay. Array, which actually makes sense. And gosh, gotta figure out how to. Might have to like make them into an array and then do it or something. I don't know. Maybe a pause menu is not something for right now. Maybe for now that's not what we'll worry about. So let's do that. Work on a pause menu at some other point. I don't want to. We can still have that, but we're gonna take away the stuff. Okay. So then, if that's the case, what's the next thing on the board that I want to do? So I think skins might be not a terrible idea. You know, but how about we start the basis for a skin? How about we start a shop or a skin? How about we? Yeah, we'll make it kind of a shop slash like what skins you have, right? So like, let's make a new scene. Create new scene somewhere in here. Scene. We'll just call it shop. No, call it menu. Yeah, we'll do that. This is our. And we'll make it a black background. And okay, so let's add some text here. Okay, let's add some text, right? So we'll UI, and then this is really weird the way it does this. Canvas needs to be here, and then boom, and then the text. We'll just call it like skins. Skins, and then we'll gonna be white. Going to be this font. I really like this font. Like 80. Something like that. That'll be our like our first thing, right? Let's go with like square or something. I might have to just make a square. I'd have to open up GIMP first. Kind of want to make it to where you can have skins. This menu will be not on. This will be on like the main menu. So let's go to the title screen, and then we'll say, how about? I want to just add. Do I want to add another thing here? I don't have a good way to do menus right now. I've been like, I have to programmatically make this. Kind of annoying. So let's just duplicate this real quick. This one will be right here will be renamed skins credits. This one let's change to skins. Okay. First of all, let's kind of fix. Okay, so these things changed the other day, so for some reason, so I want it to be like right about here for the actual Y position of this start one. No, maybe not. Maybe it's there. We go. Negative 2.48. That's our X. Our Y is negative 145. Okay. So let's come back to the menu. So start menu thing is negative 145. We got to add us another skins item. Look Y. I don't know what it is yet. But the Y for this one, I have to adjust slightly as well, I think. Something like I could use my keyboard, but I can't. reason it doesn't want you. Like that. So negative 2.4. All right, good night, Steven. Negative 2.4 for the options. Skins. Something like this. Yeah, negative 337. Then this will be like, right? Y level? Sure, 424, negative 424. Okay, there's that. So let's, unfortunately, we have to, do a couple things. So first we need to come over here and go to build options, get this new scene to show up. Let's skins menu, yes. So how about, I actually don't need to go to game over scene ever, so skins scene num. Okay. Say here, another menu option in. I gotta come up with a better way of doing all this, but for now, so if it equals the skins item location, then we go to skins scene num. Okay, so that's that. This is the part that's a little bit annoying. It's not too bad, but okay. So if it's on start and you press up, then it should go to the bottom one, which is credits, and that's still true, correct? Okay. But if it's on options and you press up, it should go to start, which is that one, okay? Else if, so now we're saying, so whatever we're going to, so skins should be the one going to options. So if it's on skins location, then you go to options. Else should now go to skins. Right? Okay. Like I said, right now this is kind of hacky and kind of funky, but I don't have the down one set up yet, but okay. So we'll add in the stuff for down. So if we just add in another else if, then we'll add this one in. So if it's on skins, okay, so let's just make sure we got this right again. So if we're on start and we press down, we should go to options. Start, we press down, we should go to options. Perfect. Okay. And if we're on options and we press down, we should now go to skins. Okay, so this is skins. And then else if we're on the skins, press down, we should go to credits. So let's do this. Okay. Still might have to adjust the actual like Y position here and all. Okay. No, okay, wait, I didn't. Something's not done right. Why is this happening? Why is this happening? Clearly, I don't have something right here. Okay. So, hey, you do better. You do better, brah. Okay, so first of all, let's make sure that our these should all be right. So if we're on start and we press up, it should go to credits. And that is back, hold on. Actually, I know what's the problem here. Well, what's part of the problem. So what is the start one? The start one is 145, okay? Close. Okay, so there's that. That's part of it. Why? Okay, so I must have messed up on. So let's see. What is the skins location? Skins location. I just the skins location should be like X should be like what negative 331 ish or something like that. Yeah, that seems right. Okay, and then credits location. Yeah, negative 428, and I had negative 424. Close enough. Okay, so that should be right. So wait, what is this? Let's see. 239 is this, and the value is negative 145. Save. Okay, but now let's look at the logic. If you press up while you're on start menu, you should go to credits. That's right because you going up. It's right there instead. So, but why? Okay, hold on. Start, and if you're on so if you start, you go to credits. If you're on options, you go to start. If you're on skins, you should go to options. Otherwise, let's just if otherwise, if you're on start, skins, and options, and credits. Yes. If and start, options, skins, credit. Turn credits and press down. Yeah, I mean, should all be right. Now it's just not moving at all. Because there's no else if. Okay, wait. Okay. So are we not on any of these? This what's our Y location? Selector. Negative 145. And negative 145 should be start location. I got this else if that I. Still don't understand why it seems it's off. It's not moving to the right location. Not at all moving to the proper location. It's moving to a location that's not correct. It's just completely not correct. Yeah, why is that like this here? Okay, hold on. Understand why that's. It fixed now? Not entirely fixed. Okay, if you're on start. If you're on start, yeah, like if you're on start and you press up, it should be on that. Okay, for right now, it's fine. Whatevs. Whatevs, okay. Let's see if anything else is working. What? That was super weird just now. Okay. Hold on, hold on. These just not match here for some reason. So 239 is that. Then 137. Nope, 145. Why are we having this? Options is 2.4. Skins. Dang it. Skins is 3.37. Okay, and then okay. So not sure why did that. Okay. And then here's our skin menu. Okay. Oh, you know what we need? Hold on. Let's go to the asset store here. Let's find us a cool sound for like the actual selection of an item, right? Let's go with like audio sound effects. We're definitely going from like low to high for prices. Ooh, okay. So there's transportation, Foley, creatures, weapons. What are essentials here? Assets, beta tutorials, tools. They have a lot of stuff that I can really get for. I can get down here. So let's go with like, let's see what some weapon sound effects would be. Futuristic sound. Can I like hear it? What? Stop. I didn't want to click on that. Can I? How do you hear it? Do you not hear it? So confused. I want to listen to it. I don't want all that anyway. Okay, so let's go back. Okay, oh, dang it. Very lame. Okay, I just like want to be honest. Let's see. Laser construction. You know, to be honest, let's go to sci-fi. Can I hear these? Hold on. What if I open it in SoundCloud? There we go. Okay, cool. We got to hear some of them. So let's download this. Let's import. Let's just import all of them. Pick which one we want to use, right? Okay. So we got the sci-fi gun stuff here. And let's go to here. Okay, and then our selector. So let's make a new sound. This will be our select menu item sound. Okay, that's that. And then our clip. Let's see. Can I listen to one? Can I just like listen to it without having to do all this craziness? People, no preview or anything. Wait, can I do it down here? Oh, I can. Okay. I think that's gonna be it. It'll be our shot one for now. I might look at some other stuff later, but shot one. Okay, so what I want to do now is come over here to menu selector, and we're gonna say, also I need to put that in the same thing. Into a mixer group, right? So put it here so that you can mute them all together. Okay, so let's back into the code real quick, and we'll say audio source. So public audio source and this will be menu select. And then we'll do that. 1 second. All right. Okay. So then what we want to do is, since we've done that, and we'll come over to our selector guy here. This is the select. This is actually really intuitive once you like know what you're doing. Okay, and then so what we do is here on select menu item, we will just say menu select sound dot stop, just in case somehow it was playing, and then menu select sound dot play. And then now we already have a little like selector sound. Well, it wasn't supposed to do that, and then it didn't play all the way, so it might not be good. Hmm. 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 I mean, this is not the biggest deal right now, but I was just trying to do it. I can make it stop easily. I can make it not do that thing at the beginning. So let's say right here. So now it should not play at startup. But not okay. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Maybe. Then, so select menu item is here, and that's this one. Play. Actually, let's try this real quick. Okay, so for now, I'm not too worried about the sound effect part there. Let's go back and just disable this for now, I guess. Oh, not menu. Yeah, menu select sound. Okay, so that's fine. That's fine. It's whatever. So what I can do though is I can go to the skin sound. So what I was gonna do is I was gonna like make some quick little like rectangle to put skins in. So let me just do that. Let's see. This a whatever, and then parent background. Size of like that's probably the opposite of what I do it like 100 by, and let's do a sorry you guys can't see this. No worries, dude. I understand. Have a good night, man. I'm just, tinkering with things anyway. Sure, definitely, dude. Yeah, I'll hook you up with a copy of it like after this. Good night, man. Fine, we'll just do. Laughs and can't sleep. Oh. Add in this. This is a very basic rectangle. Not gonna be great. Okay, so let's go with our let's go to our scenes and then our skins menu. And our skins we're gonna have, let's create a folder. This will be images. I don't know. Rectangle can go in here. And I just, not what I was hoping for, but hey. Like fake PNGs. What is a fake PNG? I don't think I fully understand that. And then so grab that one, but we're also, he gave me this sized one. Let's go with the larger one. That might be helpful. Let's this in here. How does this have a higher? Eh, this should have a lower Z than this one. Why? Oh, maybe I just have to. Nope. Yep. Why? Yeah. Just delete that one. Then put it here after. Why is it still at a higher priority? Don't understand. No, I don't understand. Is this? It's not on the canvas. Position. We have two. A PNG is not an image without a background necessarily. A PNG has capability for an image without a background. Just FYI. PNG is not classified by not having a background. But I also do get annoyed by that stuff though. I know what you're talking about. And that does annoy me. Why can this not go over it? I don't understand. Bring this up here. Oh. Um. No, I'm super confused by this. Well, that's the thing. Like, it's not. They're both technically on the same layer. They're both on that default layer. So like, it shouldn't matter. And it's not like it like normally I can put things on and like this. I just don't understand why. Uh, what is there? Is that order and layer setting? Right, but they're both on the same layer anyway, so it doesn't matter. This right here you're talking about? Or this right here, order and layer? That's super weird actually that this doesn't have it. Oh, there it does. Yeah. Okay, so let's see. Let's see. Still, this one has a well now wait, I just changed that. So let's try this again. There we go. Thanks. I didn't see that before. It's really weird because I was setting it like the Z positioning should make all the difference. But cool. Thanks, man. Yo, Kevin, what's going on, buddy? How you doing? We're gonna have skins. Multiple skins available in this game. It'll be like, really just kind of want it to be like that. Then I'll put like how many points this costs or something like that, or like how many points you had to have achieved in order to get it. So maybe that's what I'll do. How many points do you have to achieve to get the skin of to get super skin? Man, I'm doing good. It's the weekend, as you said, and I'm sitting here like creating a game. You know, just duplicate this and call this on super points. So we'll go here, and this will be like 45. We'll say yes, yeah. This is in Unity. It's actually C#. I'm gonna say like, how about you have to get 15,000. You have to achieve a score of 15,000 in order to unlock this. Promise to art. I don't have any art talent, any artistic talent at all. So like, sorry, but I don't know, something like this, and then we can say we can actually let's make this a little bigger like this, and then here, and let's actually duplicate this again. This one will be called Dupa Locked. Fine. Okay, so then we'll say by default it's going to be locked anyway. You won't have it, so locked. Dang it. 40. So like and maybe we can change the color. So like if it's locked, it's like red, right? Maybe like no, it'll be that orange whenever it's you unlock it for Supa. So it'll be like this locked. Let's make that. And this will be like, I don't know, 15,000. You have to like, you'd have to have achieved 15,000, a minimum high score of 15,000. I feel like that's pretty reasonable. I mean, you have to sit and play for a while. So all we want to do in this case, in this place, right? So, oops, I didn't want to do that. So let's make a script. So let's make us a nice empty game object, right? So create a game, an empty game object, and we'll rename this to world. How about skins world? And then we'll go ahead and just add a new script that we will call skin world script. Sure. Let that create. All right. And so add this. I mean, we're going to edit this. The skins world can go back. It can go into the scripts. And then let's modify it. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to say we really just want the high score. That's all we really care about, right? So let's say public int high foreign language. I'll show you the game in just a second. High score. Skins high score. Let's do that. And then on start, we'll say skins high score equals player prefs dot get string. I want to say it was high score. And in fact, oh, what is that? Oh, get it. And actually, what I want to do is I also want to have another thing up here somewhere that says like your intriguing to see a DNA. Nice, nice. Let's also have let's duplicate this, and then we'll rename this to your high score text, and we'll just put it like here. I'm not planning to have very many skins, right? So like we'll do this, and then it'll say like your high score. Yes. Wait. Let's see. Yeah, I think that's probably fine. And then let's do this, and then let's duplicate the skin and call it high score value. I don't know why I'm doing that. High score value. All right, and this is what we're gonna want. So then we're gonna go here. We're gonna come in here. We're gonna be using Unity engine. So K-Fresh, if you don't know, I am a programmer by profession, right? I professionally am a programmer every day, but I don't program games. I don't do any of this stuff in C# or anything. So like, it's been really cool learning this stuff with also having a programming background, right? You know, so like, it definitely gives me a bit of an advantage. I didn't remember if we've talked about it or not. It gives me a bit of an advantage, but it's like I still have to learn things, right? I think, what was it UI, and then I can say public text I score text. And if we come over here, now that I've added that in, I can now come over here to this skin world and see we got this text that we're gonna get. So it's gonna be the, oh wait, did I not? Let's see. Value text, I didn't actually change it. Currently it's gonna be 0. Well, we'll have it like this. I mean, I want to leave room. I mean, maybe people will get it this far over. I doubt that, but who knows, right? And then, okay, yeah, we'll do that. Okay, so we want the high score value one for our skins world text. That, okay, so now we come over back to here, and we'll say that high score text text, yeah, there we go, equals skins high score. What did I do? Oh yeah, dot toString. Okay, so it should now display my high score. Should now display my high score. Okay, this is my high score. Nowhere near this. Nowhere near this 15,000. Dude, I've been having a blast trying to figure this stuff out. Oh, by the way, I got some bagel chips here that I'm eating a little bit. Hmm. we also public. Oops, dude, I love programming. Super locked text. So and we'll say is, and how about public int super unlock cost. Okay, and then we'll say if high score is greater than super unlock cost, then we'll say super locked text dot text equals, and what we'll do is I'll even doing this the right way is probably a good idea. So let's just say like string locked equals locked, string unlocked equals unlocked. Okay, and then how about let's go from there real quick, and then we'll say unlocked text equals unlocked. Else super locked text dot text equals locked. Okay. So this should still stay at locked because I don't have enough. Actually, it's yes. So, but super unlock cost skins high score. High score is there. Unlock cost is 0. Hold on now. What did I do wrong? High score is greater than super unlock cost. Then we show unlocked. Oh wait, is it saying unlocked and I just didn't pay attention? It's all red. No, it's definitely still okay. How about like hold on. 20, just so it's like something small. No. Okay. What'd I do? What'd I do wrong? Okay. So high score. Problem solving mode, exactly. High score and then okay, so we are getting the high score value, which is right here, 936. So an unlock cost is only 20. So Skin's high score is absolutely greater than the unlock cost. But let's see what happens. I move it here. Nope. Okay. How about nope. Nope. Not changing it. Okay. First of all, let's make these update on the fly. So my high score was like still not gonna update. Oh, won't let me update it right here. Okay. But either way, high score is definitely higher than the unlock cost, and I don't understand. Oh man. All right, man. Have a good one. Thanks so much for stopping in. Always good to see you. Can I just See you later, man. Let's put this back where it... Why are we having this problem? It's definitely set to an object. Okay, so locked. I not. Oh, that's why. Because I'm a dummy here. I'm a dummy. But so let's put all this here. Hot cost, score. But okay. Debug.log. Okay. Then ooh. So it's definitely doing it. Okay. Dupa locked. Locked. Okay. Locked. So yeah, this should be the okay. I think it needs to be grab this again. Try. Definitely set to yay. So it's on the yay path because it does get that this is okay. So what am I missing? What? Ooh. Hmm. Need to not say anything? I need to have no text? So it's saying locked. Oh wait, am I just a dummy? Am I a dummy here? This is supposed to, this is the unlocked one. Oh my gosh. Huh. And this one should be locked. Unlock. I think make it a little bit smaller. about oh, let's go with 36. Oh shoot. And let's just boom. Let's bring this down. Okay. The locked default. It should say unlocked because the cost right now is super cheap. But if I put it to what I was saying, so like 15,000, it should be locked. Definitely locked. Okay. So, okay. Let's make it measly like 500 for now. But it's unlocked. It's unlocked. Can I change the color? So, super locked. Dot color about equals blue. Color dot blue. So let's just see. Change to blue. Okay. Easy, easy, easy. So we're gonna say, so let's keep super stuff together. So public color super locked. Super unlocked. Equals color dot orange. I can do RGB also. So blurp. Clear interpret. So can I do new color? Change. Do I have to do something like this? Okay, so color. Understand what we're doing here. I don't know. Hoping to be able to make color change. Can I just do this? Instance, will it accept this? I would say probably not. Color. I just put it in a text. Yeah, string. Can I say like to color? Okay, whatever. So can I do super? Block text. Scale linear max color. Used to be a color, and I was trying to do this color. New color. Was that not? Yo, what's up, Fallen Acolyte? How's it going? Figure out. Try that. Grab our. I don't know. Let's do like so. This orange. So this is just a game that I've been kind of working on as a pet project on the side. It started out as kind of a Flappy Bird clone, and it's kind of getting better and better. My first ever game I've worked on. It's really cool in my opinion so far. I will show you in just a second. But I do want to grab. Oh man, what is the color? 165. About 41. Third one is I actually don't like that orange. It kind of not bad. Actually, let's. Hopefully, it's gonna be cool. Oh man, I was trying to. Let's see, hold on. Back to this text. Can't. I'm trying to. Whatever. Back to what we had. Something like. Yeah, something like that. 200, 110, 26. 200, 110, 26. All right, and then theoretically I can say unlocked color for that, and that's actually I want that to be the unlocked color, so that's gonna be here. This is just gonna be color.red. Okay, Gash, see you later, buddy. Thanks so much for hanging out, dude. Let's just see real quick. Locked, it's red. And if I go to here and I mark it as like 200 as the cost, then it's unlocked, but the color is not right. Naturally. Mess something up? Float A for alpha. Okay. Okay, whatever. Let's just do like green for unlocked for now. Tokyo Grill. I don't think so. I've been to a place called Little Tokyo. We can get rid of this color for now. Should just be green now. Yeah, okay. Good enough. That'll be good for now. Okay, so this is just to say, like, hey, you've got these skins unlocked. I haven't implemented a skin system yet at all. But if you want to see what I have, it's all based on like my channel and my logo and stuff. So like But I do want to implement different art actually at some point. I just don't have that yet. Let's go to title screen. Little Tokyo on Vets is better than the one on Causeway. The one on Veterans. Wait, where's the one on Veterans? I gotta think of the Veterans one. The Causeway one's just always been my favorite. Always. All right, so this is okay. So this is our game so far. Oh yeah. Okay, I don't know if I've actually been to that one, to be honest. So I've got this like setup. I don't have any options yet. Skins. I had like a credits page for the audio for this just to make sure I'm good. And then like start. So it's just a very basic. I'm gonna adjust the difficulty and stuff, and it's gonna be like based on the higher you the higher score you end up with, the better. Oh, I just died, and I skipped over the. But yeah, like it'll get more and more difficult based on the higher score you get and all. I'm gonna change the sound effect. I don't like that jump very much. You can't touch the top or bottom. I want you cheating. Got a high score. Yeah. Then let's just die, right? Because I'm gonna. Let's see. Oh, a couple of them overlapped. I'm gonna have some music at some point too. I got some people working on some music for me. Okay, let's just say I couldn't get any further. Boom, I died. New high score! So it's a very basic high score system as well. I'm planning to implement a leaderboard at some point. Don't have that just yet. And then so if I go down to options, and then not options, I guess actually, skins. And then technically it's unlocked because it says, yeah, but anyway. Okay, so let's see. So that's pretty good. Okay, let's go back to the skins menu and let's make this. Oh, we're in the games. So I think we'll make this a public one so that so that it actually shows up what I have like here. That's to come later. I just don't know what it is that I like. I have no art talent, no creativity in that, so I'm gonna have to try and get some people to do some art for me. So you know. Let's do let's see, super unlock cost. Well, why don't I just do, let's see, super unlock text, super unlock cost. How about I do public text, super unlock cost text, and then we will say, let's see, just on start anyway, we'll get here, super unlock cost text dot equals the super unlock cost dot toString. The Ham King? Who's the Ham King? Over here, and if I go to the world here, it should pop up another super unlock cost text, which is super points rec. So if I, there we go. So 200 is what I've got it set to. It won't change on the fly actually. If I say 2,000, and our high score is 26 something or other. So let's go like 3,000. And it's locked. Okay, so that's something simple enough. And the King of Hams, but who is the King of Hams? who are we talking about here? Um, Okay, so what I want to do is, in the main game, I would implement the ability for you to like change. Um, actually, this is gonna go change characters, right? So like, um, of honey baked variety. So, have I seen the king of honey baked ham? Like, as in Alex? Is this your new screen name, Alex? Or are you a friend of Alex's? And I can't like, I'm confused. I know, somebody who works at honey baked ham. Don't hate me. Kind of like sit here and picture. I'm I'm like, if I don't know off the top of my head who you are, but you obviously know where I live, so you probably know me in person, hopefully, or else that's really creepy. Oh, okay, it is okay. I'm sitting there going like, man, Alex, jeez, okay, you were freaking me out. I was starting to get a little concerned, buddy. How you doing, man? Or are you saying yes to no talking about Alex but not being Alex? Okay, so what I need to do, let's see. What happens if how bad does it look if I change super small? Super is super small. Let's look at my, okay, so go, hmm, you're not Alex. Okay. Who are you then? Which of Alex which of Alex's friends are you or something? I'm confused now. Oh, you got me really confused now. I'm okay with you messing with me. I'm just like now. I'm like, who is it? Who is it? Yeah. Okay, so this is the size one that I probably want. Okay, so this one. Oops. Okay. Go to, where was that one? Which emotes? Fan art. You know me in person. We've eaten Alex's ribs together. I mean, I've eaten ribs with a couple of people, right? Oh my gosh. Throw this in here. Let's change this sprite to, let's rename this. I can't rename it. Rename this. The gaming logo. Could make it easy. I know it's cool. Not mad. I'm not mad. The CC Gaming logo. Nope, that's not. Oh, look how tiny that is. Oh, it's so tiny. Why is it so tiny? Okay, so this is not the size that he said it was. Oh, it's because I used the wrong one. Okay. I bet. No. No. Oh. Yo, Motion, what's going on, dude? How are you doing? How are you, my friend? You're right, I did not expect to see you. Oh, this is not the same song. Trying to think of other hints. Is it Zach? Are you Zach? Oh, are you? Very nice. Okay, so this is 72. Is this not the same one? Drop this one in here. And then let's. It's very good to see you, my friend. Yeah, so there we go. So that's tiny, and this is a tiny. That's okay. What we do is, no, but you know Zach too. Okay, can I readjust this somehow? Okay. Look how tiny it is. Look tiny, tiny. Okay, how about scale? Here we go. 1 and 1. And then let's go with like a little bit more. 1.5. I feel like that's pretty good, right? Like, but now look at the thing here. Well, yeah, I mean, if you're friends with Alex, of course you know that. Okay, let's see. Where's my rigid body? Here. So, or my actually, that's my collider. Let's edit this collider to bring it in. Oh no, 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 no! Come back, come back, collider. Where's my collider? Man, how about I just undo that? Yo, what's up, fish? Yeah, that's what I was actually thinking. I can probably, well, I could really just do this, and I want it less than that. So, I probably want it less than that. But I do want to see how it's gonna react to Super. I mean, it's gonna be that same size, right? So like, dynamic, sure. Okay, so how about we bring it in a little bit more? So let's say 0.4. That way, I probably will go and like make this into a circular one later, but I'm not too worried about it this instant. Yeah, it's pretty good, I think, actually. I think that'll be okay. So we start off with this one. I don't want this one anymore. I'll show you in just a second, actually. I will show you. So let's go to the main page, or the main screen here. Okay. First of all, we have the best name ever. All the good names were taken. Right? That is my fedora right there. And so you can go see like the credits. I have an audio credit in here. We have no options yet. Skins. Oh, I was using that one. Oh well, I'll have to put it back in a second. That was Supa's picture right there. Actually currently don't have a way to go back, so but here, let's show you the game itself. Motion. How you doing, fish? Too, by the way. It's a basic Flappy Birds clone at the moment. And with my Thonks as my first enemies. Wow, they're like really giving me good RNG here. That was like really good RNG. Get a little bit of a trick shot here. Boom. Oh, game over. That was my score. It was not a high score. Okay, so that's it for a moment. That's kind of all we got at the moment. But I'm about to implement a way for you to switch skins, which will be a very basic, like you just press a button, you'll switch to a different skin. It's not gonna do much except for just like, hey, I have this other skin, you know. So let's go back to the skins. When Thonks attack, hey, that might actually be a bad idea. Let's go back here. I had an image here, but then I remembered. Then I deleted it because why wouldn't I? Order and layer. Let's like 2. And let's just. Sorry for the poor art and design and stuff, you know. Not actually. This doesn't actually cost 15,000. It was just some filler. Let's put it. But it's not. That's not accurate. See, right now it costs 2,000. So, $10. Hmm. I remember this day, but I can't picture who was there. Thanks, Motion. I've got a lot of like little ideas for what I want to do with it and all, and so like unlocking skins is simply going to be based on how high of a score you got. You don't have to buy them or anything; they're just going to be unlocked, so you can actually use them. that's all it's gonna be for the moment. For this, first game kind of thing. So let's go back to the main game, and let's implement a way to do that. You had to make a game for a school competition? No. I've never made a game before. This is my very first time. I'm just like having fun, just figuring things out. So really cool. So let's go back to our move player. This is our main player script. Hey, you know what? A short one's still a game, right? I mean, so let's look at. Let me grab my controller real quick. Give me 1 second, guys. Okay, this does have controller support and everything. So I just want to see. Let's see. Go to our preferences and let's come up with some buttons to switch our things. So let's call it. Let's use like we'll use these bumpers essentially to change your skin left and right. How about that? How about that? Controller mapping back. Okay, so triggers. There we go. Right button is 5 and 4. So this is gonna be called rotate in left. What did I say this one was gonna be? Joystick but 5. Maybe. As far as an alt button, we're gonna use. Actually, I could say positive, negative. Now let's just do it this way. Okay, so and our alt button for this is going to be. How about A and D? Yeah. There's that rotate skin. Already. Oh wait, is our jump over here? Our jump button. Jump is space. That's also joystick button. Okay, whatever. Let that one be there. Go with. Must have another button. Make button. I guess I can make more. So let's go. I don't know. Just do this one. It'll be rotate in right. Joystick button 4? 4. Seems like it is. Okay. So joystick button, rotate skin button right, or rotate skin right, rotate skin. Okay. So we come over here. Put this off to the side for a second. And then what we'll do is we'll check for button pressing here. So if input get button down. Alex's legal drug dealer. Wait, what? Hold on. What legal drugs? You know, I don't. I'm sure I'm not gonna guess who. Like, I really am drawing such a blank right now. I feel terrible. By the way. I feel really bad because like I really cannot figure out who you are. I remember there was people like, who all have we eaten ribs with? Hold on. Over at Alex's. This is gonna bother me. I'm gonna like text Alex. Tell me who the fallen acolyte is. Get button down. What did I just say? Rotate in left. Same thing. It's June-ish. Okay, so then I don't feel as bad because like it's been a while. But let's just make sure debug log. Let's just leftward. Rightward. Also, I didn't assign an alt button, I don't think, to. Well, that doesn't look good. So I don't want a space there. I want D. There we go. May 19th. What happened on May 19th? Very specific. Rightward and leftward. Leftward. Oh, I have them backwards, but that's a good sign. At least that I have the correct buttons. Okay, so. But I feel like, okay. So leftward and rightward. Okay, so that's fine. I just have the controller buttons mixed up. Easy as pie. This will be 5. This will be 4. I love how easy it is to do controller stuff. Okay, there we go. Okay, so I got those done. That's easy enough. That part is easy. Now I have to figure out what I'm gonna do about the actual. Let's see. This is gonna be super hacky and stuff. I mean, it's not gonna be perfect. So let's say your high score. Basically, as we do this, I mean, just want to rotate. We only have one skin at the moment, 2 skins essentially, right? At the moment, let's just make a new function, a new method. Private void change skin. And this will be like our direction. So yeah, right. It is. It's awesome, and I love it. Like I said, I'm a programmer, professionally and all that. So just string dir. We'll say like if dir equals left, else, because you're only gonna have 2 directions, right? So then we're gonna say let's see. I don't know how easy it will be actually for us to change this sprite on the fly. I should be able to change this sprite. How about let's click sprite PC gaming, click sprite Koopa. Okay, and then what we want to do is we want to on this guy. So this sprite says CC gaming is that's the one, yeah, and Koopa. Okay, so that's something. So let's keep going. Okay. So actually, so image characters. Can I tag these guys? One single advanced. Let's see if this dot sprite. Okay, so let's see. I do. Let's see. I need to. Okay, let's see. Sprite Renderer, Sprite. Let's see. Add more Sprite. Okay, let's see. Sprite. There's no this. Gotta be able to figure out what's Sprite rendering. Is this attached to a Sprite renderer? Changing the. I could just destroy this and put a. Maybe I'll make this into a prefab. Yeah, let's do that. We'll make this to a prefab. Can I not do that? I gave a bunch of people my card. That's the problem. Saying that I gave you my card at Alex's house is probably not helpful. Just saying. Okay, so there's that. And what if I add a new sprite renderer, right? New sprite renderer. Just sprite renderer? It does. If I just give it rigid body, slider, and the script. Am I using a 2D one? Give this one a slider. Put a box collider on. Then the script. Move player. Give it all these things, right? So 2.5, 3.5, or 2 and 3.5. World info is the camera. Oh, I didn't do that either. Or do I have to do that on here? This might not be good. I have to do this. Undo me making this into a prefab. Undo. Still a prefab though, isn't it? Work. Look. Still works. On-screen thonk is not. Egg on-screen. Not. Oh, okay. You know, I see why. Okay, so give it a name. Thonk plus time dot. Yeah, there we go. So if I go back to player, I still can't do it. Wait, what was it? Did I undo? Oh, there it is. So not get component. Nope. Right. Dot. Tools. Yo, what's up, Darby? How's it going, dude? You want to see the current state of the game? See. How you doing, man? Good to see you as always. Let's go and just start the game over from the beginning. All the good names. Yeah, they were taken. All those good names. Currently we have the super skin unlocked, but I haven't implemented it yet. Also, I actually haven't implemented a way to go back from this. Very easy. Okay, so let's just start the game. This is the meat of our game right now. Half your hair is in it. You were just sending me the same. Oh. Fallen acolyte. Are you Jamie? I mean, like, no, because you would have said like that you see me. I've seen Jamie way more recently than that. Okay, I don't know. Super duper happy sounding. Okay, let's. All right, guys, let's check out this sound that Darby just sent me. Hey, Darby, I like your new icon. That's really cool, by the way. Hope that's not super loud. Oh, that's pretty good. I actually really like that. Yo, I really like that, Darby. Happy tune. Yeah, this might be really good. Let us download this. And then bring it into our audio. We got this happy tune. Jamie's Legal Drug Dealer 2? I'm so lost on this. Holy smokes. Okay, yeah, that song is really cool. Let's make sure. Okay, so we need to add in audio source. This will be our let's not have it on the main screen yet. Let's see. Let's go to scenes. Oh man, no, this is really cool. I actually really like that one. Let's go here. On the old tune you made? Nice. Let's make an audio source and we'll rename it music. And then we will make sure we add this to this let's actually wait, hold on. Before I do this, let's go to my audio stuff. Let's go to the game mixer. Let's add another group and we'll call this music. Okay, I'll do that after this stream. All right, so now we're gonna go to music and here, close this. Yeah. Maybe on our music one. Okay, and then this music is going to have happy tune, and we can, let's see, loop it. Then let's see, let's go to our, which object do I want? How about our main camera, the world stuff? Yeah, world stuff. All right, are you ready for this? Let's see. World stuff, and then on start, so do public audio source BG music. Yeah. Say BG music dot play. Save over here. This will be our music. Ready? It's a little loud. I'll have to adjust it. What do you think? Thanks, man. And it loops really well. Alright, so let's take our music, bring it down some. That can go up. Y'all think the music should play when you start the game? Or like just right here? Got that eventually drive you insane quality will be perfect this time game? Yes, absolutely. Yeah, do you think I should just play it from the title screen? Or do you have another title screen tune up your sleeves? Oh man, my score, I'm getting a good score, you guys. Ooh, nice. Cool. Similar, yeah, some kind of a similar tune. Oh, but look, it was a high score. And I implemented this high score system earlier today. So now, boom, you get a high score. That's cool. Let's see. But I think, you think that the music should be silent until you start the game, until you press start? Like until you, like right here, should it be silent? And then you start and it plays? Yeah? That's kind of what I was thinking too. Alright, so let's change this up then. So what we'll do is, do this here, and then we'll say if BG music dot is playing, but we'll say not is playing, then that. Check it out. Yo. All right, I dig it. I'm digging it. All right, let's let me grab this from my desk. Where can I put this? Community folder? Yes. Bam, happy music. Yeah, let's check this out. Okay. This one. Okay, let's grab this one here. Audio. Grab this here. And we'll do another. Oh, that's actually, we're not going to go here. We're going to go. Okay, so did I make this work yet? No, that's not what I wanted. Okay, so real quick, let me fix this part. So we want to say on start, we're going to music dots up. And then hopefully I gotta work on that jump sound. I'm not too sold on it. Okay, so that's what I wanted to happen there. So now let's go back to our other scene, our title, and we'll add another sound. Yeah, I'm starting to get the hang of this, Darby. I'm figuring things out pretty quickly now. Just rename this one and music. Oh, well, we'll use title music from BTG. We'll put it in the music mixer here so that we can control its volume easily enough. And then I'm going to go back. Let's see. Save that. We need to do a similar thing on the menu selector. Yeah, there we go. And we'll say, let's do public video source music. And then we'll say on start, we'll say music dot stop. No, wait, we don't want to do that. We want to do start. What? Play. Because we want this one to play on startup. I gotta lower the sounds. Ah, I didn't put it on loop. Hold on. Easy fix. And then let's go to our audio mixer and let's drop sounds down a little bit. Oh, dude, I love it. Holy crap. Dude. Yes. Yes. Ah. You said sweet tice, but I like it. It's good. Dude, that's awesome. Thank you so much for that, man. Yeah, man. That's super exciting. That means it's super sweet. Definitely. Okay, so I was working on skins. So that was world script. Okay, so like move player. I still gotta figure out how to change skins. Those. Oh yeah, maybe I could just put, I don't know, Supa? That okay. Okay, it seems to not hate that. So for the moment, let's do and left. Doesn't really matter. See if I didn't completely break this. I mean, I didn't completely break it, but let's see if it just that's gonna do anything. Oh, yo. Dude. Holy crap. I did not expect that to work. All right, I got some other logic that I have to do in this, but still, like, that's not bad. I'm gonna go left, right. I'm having a blast, like, learning this stuff, Darby. It's great. All right, so what I want, okay, so do we have high score on here? We don't have high score. Let's grab the high score. So the int high score. So unlocking skins are basically going to be based on how high of a score you've gotten, and I can set, you know, a different value and all. So int high score, and then do is always want high score to be up to date. So high score equals player prefs get int. It's high score. Okay, and so we're gonna say, oh, that's an update. So then I'm gonna say, so, be super like hacky and um, if high score greater than no, I don't know. um, so how about I say, where am I scoring? I'm keeping this, so this is just on a game object. Click game in world info. Then what I do is come over here. No, I can't do that. Can't do that. You So hold up, let's see. So I need a way, an accessible way of things. Accessing make this one not cost on the game starting up, right? And then I will set up, well, I'll set a thingamajigger. So player prefs dot set, go set string. No, let's just do set string set int. Gonna be Koopa unlock cost. I'm gonna find a way better way to do this later on, but it's gonna be cost. Okay, so we'll set it at the start of the game. And what we'll actually do is we'll say it's gonna be a public int anymore. This should just be an int, a regular int. And it's going to be set by Koopa unlock cost equals player prefs dot get int Koopa unlock cost. This should still be fine. This, and then we go over, we go here, and we go to like our Wait, where are we? New selector. So music. What is my compiler? Oh. Clear that for a second. What games have I been playing? Kakarot. I've been playing a little bit of Kakarot. Destiny. I've been really going hardcore on Destiny again. Yeah, really hardcore on Destiny. I'm confused at how I suddenly have music, but it's not there. Oh. Whatever. The super unlock cost. 200. Even obsessed with Pokemon. I've definitely played some Pokemon. Pretty good bit of Pokemon lately. Okay. So that's fine. If I go to option, no, ends, we still unlock that because it's only got a 200 cost. Okay. So that's fine. Now what I want to do is, now I want to come here and say, if player prefs dot get. Wait, what do we do? What did I call it? No, it's not a string. It's a an int because it's the cost. So if player prefs 600 hours, okay, not that much for me. My score is greater, but player pref. Unlock call. Oh, I've been going at this for 3 hours in stream. Jeez. Maybe I won't go back and forth. Maybe you just press one of the buttons and you just change your skin. That. Oh, you just do that. I won't have to go back and forth through this stuff. So 600 hours, that's nuts. How do I do this in a like a not terrible way? Move to the next one, to the next one, to the next. So if if it's me, do that. Else we switch to Sprite to PC gaming. Right. Okay. So basically on the keyboard we're looking at the A button for the moment. Okay, okay. Then let's we can also, okay, there we go. I can change it anytime, so it doesn't really change anything. What I could do, based on the player, you could have different enemy sprites. Super could have some kind of weird thing that he's against, and then maybe like Darby's in here. Maybe BTG's got an icon in here. Who knows? You know? Got controller support, single button controller support right now. Well, not just single button, technically. Got the skin button. And actually, hold on. Say something. So I've got a mute button. So got a mute button for just the sound effects, but I could mute all of it too. Also, you can't do it in the main scene yet. Let's see, in the main game. But if I go to like menu selector, and then we've, see, that's what I want, the mixer group, because then I check if a button is my control volume, and I can just like, so let's, yeah, so that'll be easy enough. I can do that. Let's grab this, put it on like world info. No, move player. I need the mixer group and volume. And I'll just grab all these for a second. 2. And I also have to import audio. Then if the mute is again currently only for the sound effects, but not actually working. Why is it not working on there? Let's see. Oh, well, because I didn't check for it to be happening. So then if I say just control volume, throw that in there in the here. Totally broke stuff. Okay, I know what I did. Yeah, because this so then on the player, no, not here, on the wrong scene. Doop doop doo. Then on the player, supposed to put, so I think it's sounds is the one. No. Yep, there we go. Problem is it resets it to a high volume. And so what I want to do is, so basically on, well, I'm almost done for the night, you guys, but having a blast, so. Okay, so let's set our volume level, right? So like, let's say float volume level. And, or, well, I guess vol is okay. Can I reuse vol? We'll see. Let's just use that. Okay, and then we'll say whatever. Let's see. Let's get float. Can we do this outside of here? Have it. I think that should be okay. And then at the beginning, we will say player prefs dot that float will be volume level the vol. Then what'll happen is I will say it. Let's see. We'll say negative. So this is our mute right here, and then otherwise we'll go back to volume level, and also let's see. Let's just I guess. No, let's get volume level. So now, okay, so we grab we set it there. I don't know if that's. Let's go back to title screen. Break anything? Broke something. Okay, so let's see. So let's see. Volume level. Make it a public. But it's still a volume, it's still 0. So let's see. Public float volume level. And then we set that to vol. Then we are supposed to reset it to, but we never get volume. Okay. So then volume level equals player press dot get float volume level. I don't know. And so let's see if that helps, or if I just set some kind of ridiculous loop. Very entirely possible. 0. Okay, hold on. Now our volume. Oh no. Our volume level is 17, so negative 17. Now it's 0, and then it should go back. Okay, maybe what I need to do is, so this mutes it just fine, and then we set it volume level, and okay, well I think, what is a good amount for Supa's costume unlock? Let's call it, I want Supa personally to like really have to try for this, right? Oh, you know what? One thing I have to do though, because I never fixed. So let's see something real quick. So on the skin world here, we also want to. Basically, this is all I want. So we'll load back to the main one, and that's fine. Oh yeah, it's definitely gonna be a lot higher than that. That was me testing. Okay, so now we weren't able to get back from the skin screen. So I don't know if you caught it earlier, but basically your high score is what determines if you unlock a skin, right? It's not, you don't have to go buy it or anything, but as high of a score as you get is what you have unlocked. So like if I set it, so where did I set it? Set it here? Yeah. So like, I don't know, 5,000? What did he sent me some high score pictures yesterday. Hold on, let's see. What did he send? He hit over 5,000. I haven't adjusted the difficulty spike yet. So let's me get 7,500. Like even I don't have that yet. Locked. So yeah, based on that number and your high score, I can't unlock it. I don't have it unlocked yet. So actually, let's double check that my code works. Yep, and I can no longer, I can't change my skin either. Okay, so yeah, that seems like a good wrap-up point. Code unlock, skin unlocks hidden in the game. What do you mean? What do you mean by that? Save this. Let's. I didn't mess with the frame rate at all. Because Poulter was having a hard time playing this. I mean, that's something that could possibly happen. I don't know. That's not a today thing, though, for sure. Let's look at these enemy thonks real quick. And then there. So minus think speed. So let's see real quick. If I do this times. Oh, I meant to put the times time dot delta time. I need, so it's not locked to frames. Oh, okay, that didn't help at all. This is exactly what we want, right? I could get a really high score like this. Times delta time. Okay, wait. Maybe that's not where I want to multiply it. So where stonk speed is, let's see. Maybe it's the times time dot easy high score, I know. Delta time. This is like Austin Powers. Whoa. Okay, hold on. That's easy though. So now I can go to thonks. Okay, so let's go to scenes and go to main menu. No, I go to thonks. No, where's my prefab? This guy. And so now his speed was like super low. So let's see what happens now. Okay, they're moving a lot faster. Oh gosh, there's just gonna be this wave of them now. Oh, I gotta actually tweak this now. Now that I'm doing this, maybe let's see. So first of all, I can adjust the speed pretty easily. So like 5 is probably fine, right? Yeah, that's pretty good. Okay. Can we do it? Make it through? Oh, man, y'all, I wanted to like do. There was more things I wanted to do tonight, but it's. I've been going for so long doing this. I haven't eaten dinner. I haven't eaten dinner, you guys. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die if I don't stop. I have so many ideas. Let me look at my Trello board. Did I actually? Okay, so partial. So this is an in progress. Got some music, so that's good. And then delta time. That's actually not bad. That speed is okay. So what if I say now? What if like? Ooh, okay. So how about I have score here? I don't have score on these guys, but if I say, how about I say, donk speed equals. Oh no, not that one. We want to do different. So donk float, donk speed magic formula, and then say here donk speed formula equals okay, so let's see. Score, player score. We're gonna say, do a little bit of math here. We want to divide this by like 50 and then multiply it by time dot delta. We'll do formula. Oops. Yo, I have no idea how this is gonna work out, but let's find out. Not moving very fast, guys. They're over here. They're just not moving very fast. Okay. How about we 25? I do want it to be relative to score also. We have enemies. This is great. They're getting stuck. Okay, let's undo that. That formula, I'll figure this out. So donk speed times delta time. Oh, but I wasn't using the speed at all. So times donk speed. And then this will be donk speed formula. This delta time thing is important so that on different operating systems where frame rates may not be the same, it'll still work. It'll behave. Okay. They're over there. They're just not moving again. And that was the multiply. It was time divided by 50, but let's say like 20 instead. Where I'm almost done for the night, you guys. Okay, that's not helping at all. The donk speed times the formula. For now, we'll see. Let's see. Oh, that was fine. Not times formula. Dang it! I was trying to. What did I do wrong? Donk speed should be fine. There. Remove this. I thought I had it working based on donk speed. Try it again. I have to increase. Okay, there we go. I know what I did. So. Actually, I kind of like the jump sound now. Kind of feels like it goes along with it. Oh, game over, guys. Wah, wah, wah. Okay. Alright. So... Menu. Do I need to do this? I gotta figure out how to make the menu. Oh, nice, dude. I really need to get back and play more of that, because that's such a great freaking game. Okay. I need to do like a screen to explain the controls, but for now I just tell people controls. Yeah. I need to that's something I need to add that to my to-do list. Add a screen for controls. This is what my board looks like, guys. By the way, this is how I'm keeping track of things. So, like, this is a Trello board, so I have like things I've completed, and you can click on them and see. And then there's like some bugs I found, and I can label them and drag things over, and um, gotten these fixed. These are in progress things. Yeah, you got to. I mean, there's so many ideas that I have, and so many things I find. So many like people had some requests that they things they want me to do, and so those are in a whole their own thing, right? You know, that way because I'm like those aren't priority necessarily, but I wouldn't mind doing them. Ability to change skins is actually fully is implemented already, so let's put that under complete. Pause menu, I want to do that. Locking frame rate, I might try that later another time. Options, leaderboard, I want to do a leaderboard. Let me add another new card actually. High score system. That one is a complete. Put that into our features. Yeah, so that's how I'm keeping it organized with this stuff. Just thought y'all would like to know. And there's an app on my phone and stuff, so I can kind of jot them down whenever I think about ideas and stuff. But guys, I think that's gonna have to be all for the night. Darby, thanks again so much for the sound for the music, man. I like cannot thank you enough. That's so awesome. Um, I was not expecting that so quick, and they fit like perfectly, honestly, like for the way the game is going. So that's excellent, and I'm really excited for that. But yeah, and I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks so much for hanging out, guys. It was awesome as always. I'm gonna go eat some dinner now. Bye, guys. Let me find my button to quit streaming. Good night, guys. Bye.